Okay, so now when looking at my graph, during my first baseline phase, there was no trend within the data because data was neither increasing nor decreasing, and levels during the first baseline were moderate, with moderate levels of variability ranging from 40 to 60%. After that, when we look at my first treatment phase, there is an increasing trend with high levels of on-task behavior. And this phase showed high variability within the data ranging from 80 to 100%. And this is exactly what we're looking for, because during that treatment phase is when we initially use the iConnect app. And we are trying to use the iConnect app to prove that it is helpful with increasing our on-task behavior. So when we look at the withdrawal phase, we have no trend with low levels of on-task behavior. Variability in this phase also was low, ranging from 30 to 40%. So again, in that baseline, we had moderate levels, and now in the withdrawal phase, we have low levels. So looking at the final phase, which is our second treatment phase, there's no trend with high levels of on-task behavior. Variability was high, ranging from 80 to 100%. So we clearly saw across my graph that the iConnect app was very helpful when increasing my on-task behavior, because during both treatment phases, I had the highest rates of on-task behavior. And I do see a functional relationship between on-task behavior using the iConnect app versus not using it. And I had higher levels of on-task behavior while using the app, and higher variability too. Also, I had a baseline average about 54% with a range of 40 to 60%. In the first treatment phase, I had an average about 92% with a range of 80 to 100%. During withdrawal, I had an average of about 24% and a range of 0 to 40. And then in the second treatment phase, I had an average of about 76%, with a range of 80 to 100. And I did IOA data for session 2, which gave me about 86%. Session 6 gave me about 100%. Session 11, I had 100% again. Session 16, another 100%. And then session 19, 88%.